Ito na guys, welcome to Fears of Phantom Woodbury Getaway. Ah, 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 ah. Let's go. Let's go. Episode 5. Gagi, hindi ko pa nalaro yung 1, 2, 3. December 8. Uy, need ko ng kape para matapos yung araw ko. Ano bang gusto nyo guys? English, Tagalog? Anong gusto nyo na voice over? Ha? Voice over. English, Tagalog. Chinese. Bisaya. Secret Jeremy. Konyo. Ay. Noon ang result. English? Tang ina, isa lang yung nagboto. Ay, gagi na end. Voice. English, Tagalog. Okay po, nandito na po, nagsimula na po ng English po yung boto po. Isa, dalawa na po tayo sa English. 0 pa rin po tayo ngayon sa Tagalog. Ayan po, hindi nila alam paano magboto. Mga tanga, hindi marunong magboto. Ayan, 3 na po. 4 na, 4 na po yung English. Okay, hindi na po nakakabawa yung Tagalog. Isa lang yung Tagalog, 6 yung English. Ito na po, 6. O, 2 na po yung Tagalog. Humahabol po yung Tagalog. 3 na yung Tagalog. Humahabol. Gusto talaga nila ng Tagalog. Pero yung English po, umakyat na po. Hindi na makahabol ang Tagalog. 8-3 po yung score, lamang po ang English natin ngayon. Wala po gumagalaw. Ayun, lumamang na po ulit ang English. 9, 9-3, 9-4. Ito na po, hindi makahabol talaga. Hindi, 10 na po ito. 10 na ang English. 12, 12-5 ang score. Hindi ko 13. 13-5 ang score, chat. 13-5. Yan, hindi na to makahabol, guys. English, English. English, okay, English. English, English. Tang ina nyo, pinapahirapan nyo lang ako eh. Uy, sketchy. Ano daw gawin ko nga? Si Bro JJ nga eh. Bro JJ, kamusta ka Bro JJ? Wala ba tayong liga? Oh, ng Valo lately, wala ba? Ano daw ang gawin? Kape. Dr. Fizz. Mountain Dew. Red Cola. Energy Bull. Mountain Dew, syempre. Come on now, I ain't that cheap, bro. Mountain. Sarap. Mountain Dew. RMB. What's RMB? To drink. Right mouse button. Okay. Sorry. Ang ina, ba't ko ginajabol yung can? May butas ba to sa baba? Tapo na, syempre. Wala nang laman eh. Nyo kasi iniwan dito, akin na to. Akin na to, ba't nyo iniwan dito mga manghinang nilalang? Tara shit! Oy! Umihi ang pota. Inihian yung kape, gage. Oh, where's my coffee? I need to put on a lid. Tangina, ang daming arte ng pote. Inom ng Red Bull, ng cola, tapos ngayon, coffee. Sarap. Palpitate malala. Ano to? Magna 9 o'clock? Mag-8 o'clock? Magna 9 o'clock. Sinong type dito? Ba't sobrang busy mo, tropa? Idol! What do you want, Sid? I'm trying to get this done! I was just checking if you need anything, bro. Can't these clients ever make up their minds? Still working on that report? Yeah! I'm trying to get this done! Good luck. Needed to use restroom. Ano? Gusto nyo talaga ng English? Uy! Sino kayang nandito? Hey! Uy! Naiwan ni Annalyn ang kanyang panty. Tangina, ba't ang dumi ng CR nyo, gago? Uy! Ininom. Ang dumi naman ng CR ng babae. Uy, gagi. Men. Ay, babae yung karakter ko? Gagi, wala akong inom-inom ng tubig. Puro soft drinks. Can't do it with the door wide open. Patay ito na, guys. Buksan ko ba? May tao sa labas. Sino ka? Ba't ka pumasok sa ladies room ba? Ah! Wow, ma'am, sorry. Didn't know you was in here. It's okay, gagi. Babae pala ako. I'm so sorry. Should've knocked before I came in. But there isn't usually anyone in this here this late. Yes, you should have knocked. Again, I'm sorry. I usually do knock. But I'm a little bit frustrated tonight. Kaya nakalabas yung titi ko. Huh? Huh? What? Joke lang, ma'am. Batuta ako lang yun. Security guard din kasi ako dito. It's been happening for weeks. Ha? Lumabas ka na. Kasi nakakatakot yung iyong smile, manyak. Huh? Someone raised you in a barn? There's trash cans all over the office. Act like an adult and use them. Well, I need to get back to it. Don't want to be here all night picking up coffee cups. Galit ka ba? Luluhod na lang ako. Pangit, ayoko. I would have done this faster if I'd leave me alone. Hindi ko napipigilan magtagalog, guys. Lods, tapos ka na, Lods? Uy, ugjob.com. Send link, brother! Ay, babae pala ako. Babae pala ako. Hello?
Hey, Harp, it's Mike.
Hey, Mike?
I've been trying to call your cell for the last 2 hours. It just keeps going to voicemail. Is everything alright?
Yeah, my phone's been acting up lately.
Oh, snap. I was starting to think maybe you were ignoring me.
No. It even cut out on a client earlier.
I'm kidding. Anyway, what are you still doing at work? It's getting kind of late.
Just more overtime.
Damn, Harp, that sounds rough. Good thing I called to cheer you up. About our trip, did you get a chance to book the rental house? Just really wanted to see you. And Nora.
No.
You seem a bit annoyed about me calling. Seriously, Harp, if this is a bad time.
Mike, come on. I'll do it now.
That's the Sydney Harper I know. I'm sorry if I was being pushy.
Sorry. I'm just naked right. I was just struggling a little lately.
No worries, Harper. I don't want to stress you out. As long as you book it tonight, I think it'll be fine.
My panties on the floor. I mean, it's okay.
Hey, I was thinking since we both live in the city, maybe I could pick you up and ride together. It'd be nice to catch up. You know, save on gas and relive the good old days. Just a little bit of Mike and Sydney time before Nora gets there.
Sounds good, Daddy.
Great. I guess I'll let you get back to work then. Oh, wait, one more thing. when you book the rental, please make sure to keep it under $100 a night.
You're cheap as fuck, Mike.
Nora and I were talking, and she's been on a pretty tight budget. Things haven't been going very well for her.
Goodbye! Cheap ass motherfucker. Oh. Ano to? Dito ako nagtatrabaho pero di ko alam anong gawin. Uy! Gagi, kahit anong i-type ko yun ang ita-type niya. O kahit anong i-type ko. $100 under daw ang gusto niya. That cheap motherfucker. Hey, I'm amusing to get hundreds of not thousands of stories sent daily. So I'll give you a basic rundown of something that happened to me. I'm sorry if some of it is written weird, but I was rushed. When I was in my early 20s, I worked in a big consulting firm in my city. Life at the firm was a constant juggle of deadlines, client meeting, and trying to prove my my worth. Which didn't leave much room for leisure, let alone my erectile dysfunction. A job paid well, sure, but at the expense of my mental peace. Bakit ganyan reaction? Iba ba yung nababasa ko? Iba ba? I'm Sydney Harper, and this story takes place during one of those days. One of my college friends, Mike, Big Dick Mike, suggested that we take a weekend getaway to rural Vermont, which sounded like a perfect break from the cycle of my tits. And my other friend, Nora, was quick to jump on the board as well. My plan was simple. Suck dicks, Mike. Suck it all day and suck it all night. 2 days later. Bakit ganyan yung reaction nyo, cha? Iba ba? Iba ba yung mga nababasa ko? Hey, what's up, my friend? Afternoon, quite chilly today, eh? I've seen you around but haven't get a chance to introduce myself. I'm Gail. I'm Sydney. It was nice meet you. You're the 10th floor, right? I'm on 8th. How did you know? I've just seen you a few times getting off at the 10th floor when I'm home late from work. What do you do for work? Me? I'm a software engineer. What about you? I work as a stripper downtown. Oh, I see. I like your outfit. Anyways, I hope you have a great rest of the day. I need to get some groceries before the snow starts. Ang ina. PSP? Throw that bitch. Ay, akin ba to? Sino ang pangalan nun? Gail? Gail? Uy. si Mike? Ayan, Mike. Big Dick Mike. Ay, Harp. That's still how you hug people? Why don't you hug me like you miss me? Just a test hug to see if you smelled first. Good enough. But for the record, I shower just for the occasion. I don't usually shower because my bulbul is always on the soap. Nothing is too good for Sydney Harper. You look good. So is my dick. You can just throw your stuff at the back and we'll get on our way. Ikaw ha? Excited ka na ha? Kobe. Alright then, Harp. Are you ready to suck a macaque? Let's do this. Ang gago. Transit para easy access ba? Saka Makaka begins, chat. It was starting to snow. Sydney, I'm horny. What do you want me to do, Mike? Isn't it weird? We used to dream about escaping our college, and now here we are. Trying to escape from life we wanted to live. Funny how that works. Change is just hard. Like my dick right now. Trying to adjust to the new hand job. Huh? How's your new job going? We're working on this project that uses machine to penetrate in your... It's pretty cut-edge people stuff. Sounds like you're shaping the future. Not quite Tony Stark yet, but I'll take it. You know, I never understood what do you consultants even do. We consult. That sounds like... Ano yun? Did you see that? See what? Bulbul sa sabon. Maybe it's a project. You know, someone's idea of turning it into tiny home on wheels or something. I've read people do that on the internet. Iba naman yung sinesend mo sa akin sa internet eh. Oh snap! That was close! You know? You know? I don't! I read on the internet that in Native American lore, seeing a deer cross your path is like getting a message from the universe. How far is it now? Should be about an hour and a half from here. You know, driving through the snow kind of feels like we're traveling through the intergalactic space. What do you mean? Look at the way the snowflakes swirl around my dick and my headlight. It's like stars, galaxies rushing past us. Tangina mo, dami mo sinasabi, Mike. It's kind of beautiful. No, you're just horny, Mike. Gusto mo lang maging romantic para makaisa ka sa akin, gago. Nice storytelling, guys. W story so far. W story so far, chat. W story so far. Yo, Harp. Check that out. You know, Harp, I gotta tell you, this new GPS system is something else. The pizzeria is exactly where it appeared on my GPS. It's like living in the future. I'm so hungry I can penetrate this in your ass. Alright then, Harp. Operation Pizza Pit Stop is a go. Prepare your pussy. What the fuck? Gagi, Mike, yung gamit ko, gago! Mike! May pira dito, animal! May pira! What are you waiting for? Hindi yung Red Bull ko, gagi. Kobe! Come on in, Harp. Ikaw dapat yung papasok sa akin, gagi.
This just in. Reports of a strong snowstorm coming towards Woodbury tonight.
Grabe, kanya-kanya kayong box, mga lodi. Damn.
How's the weather out there, Phil?
It's so cold out here, I can't even get my hands on it. The studio should have really brought some snow here instead of buying that big fog machine.
I'm sure you'll be.
Gagi, kanya-kanya kayong pizza box?
Not be serious. You know my doctor said not to drink any caffeine.
Sounds like someone's having a bad day. Maybe you should cool off.
Tangina, sa babalo pinapakain, gago.
Go out here and deal with the snow instead of next year's game.
Evening, folks. Looks like the cold got everyone craving pizza tonight.
You can worry about where you're going once you get that rhino plastic.
You fine folks know what you want to eat?
Why would I eat rhino plastic? My face is fine.
You can also use some Botox while you're at it.
3 slices of peach. I'll go with pepperoni, cheese, and pubic hair. For you, miss? I will go with most special extra sausage 3 inches. Pepperoni. Margarita. Pizza lang, wala na akong pira. Sige, 6 slice. Ay, sige, 6 hot slice. Kunwari ka pa. Wala kang pira. Tangina, naiwan niyo daw sa sasakyan. Sinungaling ang pota. Upo lang kayo, ma'am. Dati yung order. Oh. Tangina mo, Mike. Ang pangit mo. Ba't ba ako sumama sa'yo, gago? Ginamitan ba naman ng... Ay, naiwan ko yung wallet. Gago. Naiwan ko ba? Tangina, inamoy. It smells good in here. Alam mo kung anong mas good? Yan na. I'm so sorry, guys. Drive slow and don't worry. I'll make sure Harp stays up to let you in.
Oh, you guys are going to hate me. I swear I'll get on the road as soon as I can. But something last minute popped up. I'm not gonna bore you with all of the details. The long and short of it is one of my clients needs a last minute change. Their payments are about the only thing keeping the lights on. I hate to leave so late, but I gotta keep them happy. I'll have this logo done before you know it and be on my way.
Gagi, nag-voice over siya. Baka si Lily Picho nga, gagi. Kasi dati 'di ba si Jacksepticeye yung sa yung radio, alam niyo yun, si Jacksepticeye yung nag-voice over. Tangina. Did you listen to Nora's voice message in the group? Yeah, I just saw. Looks like she'll be late. Tayo lang muna mamaya. I guess we'll have to start the fun without her. Ano bang gagawin natin? What can we do? Don't act like you don't know what I'm talking about. Oy, let's go, Mike. Let's go, Mike. Ikaw, Mike, ha? Tingnan. Tangina, ba't parang kaboses ko yung kapatid ni Taguro? Oh, kunin mo doon, be a gentleman, you motherfucking motherfucker. Ako na nagbayad. Oh, pagtayo ko diyan katatayo. Kanya lang yung kinuha, gagot. Really, Mike? Yung sayo lang kinuha mo, Mike? Mike, yung sayo lang talaga, Mike? Ako na nagbayad, Mike? Motherfuck. Sarap, Mike, ah. Pag libre, Mike, masarap talaga. No, iba yung sarap, Mike, no? 3 na yung in-order mo, ba't naging 4 yan? Gago. Tangina, kupal talagang pot. 3 lang yung in-order niya, pero naging 4, kupal. This pizza slaps. Siyempre, libre yan, Mike. Gago ka ba? I can't believe Nora is missing out on this bomb-ass pizza. That's not the only ass you're gonna have tonight, Mike. Tangina, ba't parang hinihigop? Tangina, parang sabaw yung kinakain ng puta. Uy! Hello there, my friend. Anong friend? Tangina mo, sino ka? Ay, hindi ako sinuka. Nakita ko lang kasi kayo nag-drive kanina ng truck. Oh, tapos? Ayoko kayong guluhin, pero papunta ako sa pupuntahan nyo. Parang doon din kasi ako papunta eh. Huh? Pwede ba akong makisakay? Saan ka ba papunta? Kung saan yung kalsada, kung saan ako madala, dun lang. So ano, bigyan nyo ba ako ng sakay o ikaw yung sakyan ko? Ay, hindi ako sure, sorry. Sige na, kahit konti lang. Kahit ride in the bed. Yung tropa ko kasi may... Oy, Mike! Magsakay daw siya, Mike. Ha? Wala talaga kahit Wala ta... Takot kayo sa akin? Mukha ba akong burat? Ay, hindi naman sa ganun, pero... Kayo, hindi kayo mababait sa akin, ha? Kayo ang pinaka hindi mabait. Ako sa inyo, mag-ingat na lang kayo. Tangina mo. Hoy! Tinatakot mo ba kami? Hindi. You got me all wrong. Pasensya na. Lamig kasi. Ang lamig. Hindi na ako natitigasan sa lamig. Alam mo ba yun, par? Ang lamig, par. Par, ang lamig. Hindi na tumitigas, par. Ang lamig, par. Par. Ang lamig. Ay, sorry. Grabe. Ang weirdo ng puta. Hindi nga siya nag-order, nagpasok lang dito para gustong sakyan ka. Ako lang yung sasakay sa'yo. Ang lamig, par. Grabe, kinakain mo yung crust? Oo naman, practice yun kasi yung crust mo na naman ang kainin ko mamaya. Ha? Siguro kinakain mo rin yung balat ng orange. Balat mo ang kainin ko mamaya. Ano yan? Ba't ganyan ka kumain, Mike? Tangina, PWD ang pota. Ganyan kumain? Tangina, ito yung kakainin ko mamaya? Abnormal? Holy shit, ang sarap! Siyempre, libre ka ako. Ano, tara na? Para masimulan na natin? Malapit na ba tayo? Alam mo kung anong malapit na? Ako! Akin na nga yung susi! Hoy, ang lamig! Hindi ka pwedeng mag-drive. Ako lang. Ha? Para ikaw magpahinga ka. Kasi malay mo maka 12 rounds tayo mamaya, alam mo na. Ha? Natatakot ako magpahinga. Nagpapakondisyon nga ako ngayon. Sige. Fine. Pero, sige, ikaw na magdadrive pero sa isang kondisyon. Oy! Isang kondisyon. Let's go, Big Dig Mike. Ako yung unang pipili ng posisyon. Ha? Sige. Sana wag muna helicopter, ha? Yo. Okay ka lang, Lo? Tara na, let's go! Excited ang bata! W Dinner Pizza. W Pizza, guys. W Pizza. Tangina, nag-block screen. Nahack?
Vermont. This is your host on WKWB, your hometown station, bringing you the best tunes to warm your hearts on this chilly night. As we embrace the first snowfall of the season, there's nothing like a
Gagi, ako yung
song to
nagdadrive.
set the mood. So here's a track that'll make you feel right at home. Coming up next, BCC. And
GTA guys, GTA.
warm. Stay tuned.
Fuck you, Mike. Kung magsalita. Oy, paano? Nag-glitch ang putik. Ah, ito pala pili. Fuck you, Mike. Ako na mag-drive.
Step into my room, leave with bloody lips, saying that she loved me, but never really did. Maybe I should go, walk over the mountains, find a new home, away from where the town is. I could spend a year alone and never miss a soul. I could try my hardest and I'll never reach my goals. I know that I'm weak, need more love inside my heart. Didn't want to change, but I think that today is a good start. It's a good time to start. Good time to start. Sunset dreams of the nights that I never knew. Heart feels warm when the trees only seem to bloom. And I laughed, running all the way to you. Miss this place, but the town don't want me here. Where's my lunch money? Where's my gym clothes? I will never know.
Kami papunta, ba't parang ang tagal ko nag-drive?
Doesn't wear a mask. Where's a best friend that's always got my back? I need time from the hills and the monsters. I feel like one day I'll have a daughter, name her Rose, with beauty like her mother. I'll wait for the day, even thoughts bring me comfort. I could spend a year alone and never miss a soul. I could try my hardest and I'll never reach my goals. I know that I'm weak, need more love inside my heart. Didn't want to change, but I think that today is a good time to start.
I drove past our cabin at first.
I need time, I need remedies lately. Clothes got holes and I miss your pastries. Maybe if I come back when everyone's
Harp,
asleep,
sigurado ka ba pwede tayo mag-park dito?
like we did on the
Hindi ko rin alam, parehas lang tayo bago andito din. Bye-bye, bitch.
And besides, no one can take her up and out of my life. I think the words come together well, and that's no coincidence. Trying to be the best that I could be without no wishing it. Feeling like a plane trying to soar in the sky, but without you feel so hesitant. I can't lie. I'm trying to be a millionaire before I'm 25. Maybe I'm like halfway. Maybe I can make it there. I ain't trying to slow down, cause I'm trying to retire my mama and my old man. I don't worry about all the drama, yeah. Yeah, I keep it cool. I keep a mystery. Human lies, man. That ain't all all there is to me. I'm trying to fill your heart with writing on this shitty screen. And I promise you will be about this strife. But my life in the heart, so I focus when I type. Trying to get a good song, but
Saan ba yung aming narentahan? Ito? Ito ba?
reflecting on my life. I don't know where I'm going, but I hope I get it right. There's some pain in my heart, I spit a lyric and dip. Fuck therapy, I need a fucking reason to live. I sit at night watching movies till I fall asleep. Counting sheep doesn't work for me, so I rhyme on beats. Check my phone, get it buzzing, I slip in a spiral. What's the point of trying to hit you if you ain't around? I'm looking for a little time to waste, I really need to contemplate my move forward. So I lose hope and sit in mirror and try to piece myself together. I'm losing up in my heart, I'm losing whatever weather. I'm trying to get my feet.
I should have
on the
just
ground,
let
so
Mike
I'm moving,
drive.
I'm trying to step about my head and maybe
I thought you were just gonna keep driving there. Shut up, Mike. Ganda mo naman mag-drive, mas maganda siya. It was quite a quaint little house in a Grabe, Mike! Nilibre kita ng pizza? Hindi mo lang madala yung gamit. Gago talaga tong Mike. Oh, ako talaga bubukas? The fuck is a password, Mike? Pasok na tayo para mapasukan na kita. Hindi ko alam yung password. (5176) Saan mo nakita yung 5176? Oh. Uy. Mike, pasok naman. What a great place. I know I can count on you. Ang bango dito, amoy tiktik. Diba? The John? Take your time, Mike. Habang alis na ako, maligo ka na rin at magpabango. Sure. Uy! Gago, saan yung bag ko? Ay, ayun, gago. Uy! Ouija! Ouija! Uy! Habang nasa CR ka, Mike, isasamon ko si Satanas dyan! Sasamon ko si Satanas dyan, Mike. Mega rounds. Whispers in the dark. Cheese whiz. Tangina, hindi ko rin alam ba't ko to kinukuha tapos itapon. Nagkalat lang ako, tangina. Mike, wag ka na maglolo. Uy. Kobe. Uy. 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 Hello, Christian Carl. Kamusta Christian Carl? Thank you for the follow. Appreciate your time to be here. Grocery sa fridge. Grocery sa fridge. Ano ba grocery ito? Grocery ba to? Tang ini. Anong klaseng... Ang ina, yogurt, the fuck? Had to close the mini fridge. Uy! Balita, Mike. Nasugatan yung aking bayagbang sa ang talim ng razor. Are you okay? Long drive kasi tapos yung pizza ba, ang sarap ba? Huwag kang mag-alala, akong bahala sa'yo mamaya. Ganda ng lugar na to, ang dami natin pwedeng gawin. Kaya nga, excited na ako. For sure. Ihi mo na ako ha kasi tubol na ako eh. Sige, pasensya ka na kung merong bulbul dun sa sabon ha. Ginamit ko kasi pag-shave. Yawa ka, Mike. Amoy tubol. Ang sarap ng pizza. Escape to text Rick. Paano ko i-text si Rick? Ah, ito. I have to admit it. Ay! Feel better after the drive? Oo! Way better! Oh, tingnan natin yung lugar. Parang ang dami natin pwede gawin talaga dito ba? Sige! Ikaw mauna. Sige! Malaki ang kanilang living room pero alam mo kung anong mas malaki? Ano? Uy! Anong pinaplano mo, Mike? Mike, laruin mo to kasi mukha kang demonyo, gago. Mike, tali ka dito, Mike. Normal lang naman dito ah. Gusto mo ba maging hindi normal dito, Mike? Siguro meron siyang gustong hindi ipakita sa atin dyan. Yo, Alphabetical, kamusta ka? June Fred. Kamusta kayo, guys? Kamusta kayo, chat? Mike, tignan mo to, Mike. Nakita ko to kanina, Mike. Ano gawin ko? Hindi ko alam sa totoo lang. Oh, it's a lake. Bro, very nice.
Tara Mike, alam mo ba kung anong basa dito sa atin maliban sa lake na to? Hindi lang yung lake ang basa, Mike. Hindi lang yung lake ang basa. Mike!
Taas ng bahay? May taas pa yung bahay? The fuck? Ang lamig na. Hindi na matigas.
Gago! Tigas ang alin? Walang titigasan sa bahay na to, Mike. Gago!
Uy. Di ako nagulat, sinadya ko yun. Uy, kamusta dyan? Natakot ba kita?
Hindi naman, Gagi.
Welcome sa bahay ko.
Tangina mo, ba't ka nandito?
Uy, ang cute nyo naman tingnan.
Hindi naman kami couple eh.
Hindi mo naman kailangan sabihin yung totoo, Gagi. Kanina pa ako tinitigasan dito tapos hindi pala tayo magjowa, gago. Ay, akala ko kupol kayo ah. Hinahanap ko lang yung pusa ko dito kasi tandaan ko nanood yun ng TV. Tingnan ko lang kung mabalikan ko yung pusa ko ba, sorry ha. Alam mo kung itrato mo ng pamilya yung pamilya mo sila. Ngayong nandito na kayo, papakita ko na lang kayo sa bahay.
Ha? Ngayon ba, tay?
Oo, para alam nyo kung saan kayo mag-alam mo na. Tangina, ba't nakaluhod ako, gago? Tapos bigla akong napaluhod dun. Uy. Uy. Dito kayo maligo pag gusto nyo ng ma-intense na ligo. Aayusin ko lang to. Pag wala na kayo, syempre ngayon mayroon nagpunta dito, hindi ko ayusin.
Mike, ba't niro-room tour niya pa tayo, Mike? Tayo na lang pala mag-explore, Mike.
Ang ganda ng view dito, tingnan mo. Akala mo maganda lang dyan? Huwag mong hintayin nyo pag nakita nyo yung dick. Tingnan nyo, sundan nyo ako. Naka-crouch pala ako kanina, guys. Uy. Pwede ka na tumalon dito, Tay. Gagi, ang ganda talaga dito. Grabe, buti na lang nagustuhan nyo. Paborito ko talaga dito alam nyo na, manood ng bold. Ha? Fishing? Paano? Ha? Paano siya mag-fishing dito? Paano ka mag-fishing dito, Tay? Gago. Are you coming, miss?
Siguro mamaya kami ni Mike.
Tangina, ang pangit mo talaga, Mike. Alam mo ba yun, Mike? Tabingi yung mukha mo, gago. Tangini. Dito na. If the power ever goes out, you can use this flashlight here in my right. Storms like this, you never know. Gagi, ba't siya nagtutur?
Ba't mo kami tinutur, Tay? Di ba dapat wala ka na di...
Oh. Ang ina si Mike, bading talagang puta.
Ba't mo ko pinapauna, Mike?
Tangining mukha yan, puta. Uy, nilagyan nyo na pala yung rep ko. Feeling inyo, ha. Painitin ko kayo.
Ito si Rosie, Mike. Init na init ng putik.
What the f...
Are you coming, miss? Baka mamaya. Gusto mo ba ako mag-cam na ngayon?
To the bottom. Hit the button at the bottom. The pilot light will fire right up and you'll be back in business. Huh? Where? What? Saan yung button? Sir, ano po yung kwarto dyan? Bakit po nakalock? Hindi mo na yung problema, anak. Akin yun doon. May sex doll doon. I mean, ako na akin yun. Huwag ka na makialam. Let's move on. Uy, suspicious si Tatay Mike, ah. Tang-ina yan na. Hindi ko naman kayo gustong itakot pero tumutunog dito. Boses ng babae. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, wag na kayong pumunta dito sa baba. Tanginang yan! Yung mga mukha nyo. Sige, nagbibiro lang ako mga anak. Bibiro lang. Ganun talaga magbiro si tatay. Minsan nakakatakot. Minsan labas titi. Labas. Labas na ako dyan. Sige na. Lumalakas na yung Ishnova. Alis na ako ha. Sana nakatulong ako. Sana rin yung pusa mahanap ko. At saka, ano yung pangalan ng booking? Nakalimutan ko. Sydney, tama, Sydney. Grabe, ang ganda mo. Ang sarap mo naman, anak. I mean, ang ganda ng pangalan mo. Gagi, ang weirdo no ni tatay.
Oh, super weird.
Oh, ano, tara, manood tayo ng TV.
Actually, mag-shower muna ako para mabango ako mamaya.
Sige. Kahanap mo na ako ng website, ay ng channel, para panoorin natin mamaya. Uy, nawala agad si tatay. Uy. Yun, Mike. Ang weirdo mo talaga, Mike. Tangina mo. Tangina, maligo may damit. Tangini.